Sunriseboss production.
What going now, my beautiful peeps? Nice and lovely day. There you see it. That means nice and lovely day in Jamaica, though. Yeah, man, right now. At the beach, so when you see me, I look pan, you know, some want to go up there, go do some cooking. Yeah, man, me have some fans that come from way down the country. Think around 8 of them or 9 of them or 10. I go forward, you see it. So you know, so them a come for some cook food. So the beach that we are look on right now, we have the island. Yeah, man, all the island them I go show you on some drone shots. So no worry on yourself, you see it. So the beach look nice. Yeah, man, you don't know that's Persie beach. I live up in the hills, so which part me live. Me I look down on the beach, so it's a good look. So I carry the fans them. Panda beach there, you see it. Yeah, man, them are the jerk chicken, jerk pork, rice and peas, roast breadfruit, fried breadfruit with extra bees, fish. So you know, so you see me do whole heap of them there already, whole heap of that video, you know what I mean? So we need to catch no whole heap of clip, cause time kinda all a run left me. Me just want to go through and just deal with them, I deal with the see it. So any little clip me catch, me I go make you see it. Also, I'm going to make you see the people on the beach I eat. That's the most important part, you know what I mean? Because more time the fans them forward come check sunrise. They want to see me back on them. They want to see back themselves on my YouTube channel. You see it? Yeah, man, in a real life, so. And that's what got happen. Yeah, man, my neighbor, them house look good. Don't peeps. So remember all the house and a whole heap of my video them. When it did a weird on this, but right now it's way up this, and we're gonna go way up this again. You see it? It's a good look. Yeah, man. When I make $1, you have to spin it, man. Nice view, my neighbor them gonna have same way. Also, me I gonna have a nice view, you know what I mean? Cause me just start build, so me I gonna always go up on top. I think them reach around 3-story over there so already. So I don't know if one more go up on the top, make it 4th. You know what I mean? Me just there my first story, you know what I mean? So me drop 2 more on this or 1 more on this. It a go me a go can look over that, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna see what I go on time for coming in the future. Just do the right thing, subscribe to your channel and remember to tell a friend, Right now me a go in at the bush go look some pepper ella bush to put in the jerk pan, so the chicken them can have that flavor there, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, in a real life, man. Never tell a lie. Yeah, what's up, my beautiful peeps? What I go now? Want to say everything nice, everything airy. Yeah, man, big up on damn self for down the yard or abroad. Don't know, say they are back with the next cooking. Right now, me there a chop bush, cause me I do some jerking. You know, some want some pepper ella. Make the jerky nice. Yeah, man, see it? I want this a pepper ella bush nice for jerk. Right now, I jerk some chicken, some pork. Also, I cook rice and peas. I deal with some extra beef fish. Whole heap of little thing I go on in the kitchen cause We have some fans. We want some food. And you don't know them I link up with Sunrise today. So I do some whole heap of cooking for whole heap of people. So just stay tuned, like up the video and share. Make sure you subscribe to your channel and just get some little clip. How I go on, because you know so everything what I do here, so you know so me do it already. But through the fans they want me if you do it again, I have to do it again for them. In a real life. Then in a yard you know. So I have a jerk pan here ready. So you know so I'm gonna chop up this you know and push it, put in a fire. So I'm gonna make you see that in a real life. You know insect job pan here. The grill already and start burn up. Yeah, man. Never tell a lie, peeps. Alright. Yeah, man. This drop a while ago on my grill. But see the peeps. Pimento. Aim up pimento and a pimento leaf I use a pepper ella. Yeah, man. So then I just push them in there. You can push them exact under the fire if you want, but me I put them here so. And then I put the chicken on top of it, please. Smells sweet already, great uptown. Come on country though, that's how I deal with something to go over a fish. But see chicken let me knife nice one on the tab, you must know peeps. Like fire go through him, you know peeps. Yeah, man, you can see chicken well seasoned up with some jerk season. Sunrise now left that. Yeah, man, always have my jerk season in the kitchen. Yeah, man, so then ready to go up on the grill. Rest it down there. Cook this last. See them there? Yeah, man, see there. Let the smoker come from out the grill already. So this is a good look. All of the flavor of the pepper ella go up in the chicken and not the normal peeps. Sunrise type of jerky, you know? Food half nice. I smell the pepper ella already peeps and not normal. Yeah, man, I smell it already. Yeah, man. Put in there. Smell good juice. Yep. Let you leave them wet, because you know, say, soon the leaf them a go cool up, fire go cool them up. Yeah, man. So see it there. Yo, man, tell us the scent where this I give already and not normal. Alright. So cover up this here now, make the fire and the pot do the work, you see it? Yeah. Over here so peeps, outdoor cooking. Yeah man, we are use some wood, you see it? Yeah man, blaze up the fire. Now so this ready for your rice. So rice and peas, now the peas and butter and coconut milk, everything in that already. Yeah man. Just wait for it to boil up so we can throw in the rice. Yep. Here say you know, this ketchup, you know, so this I will put on some breadfruit. Yeah man, roast breadfruit. So next time you see this, breadfruit in the carrying. Persie, the one side I go and scale some fish, because you know we are going to fry them. So as I tell you, say cooking just start, you know what I mean? Just start. So subscribe to the channel and do the right thing. Share up the video. Fully active. Yeah, smell the chicken. So when I tell you, the leaf then get really. Yeah man, look at it, juicy and nice. Yes. The Sunrise boss ramp, you don't play around your teeth. Then I got taste nice with the pepper ella flavor. Put a little juicy already. one, you know, they look juicy already. Put the leaf in the while. Normal. Alright, yeah man. Let go of breadfruit, see there? They are turn up the breadfruit them are now peaks. Wow, see this? See it going soft? Breadfruit they turn. Yeah man. See there? Turn them. You know, so you look for that white spot there. Until you see that white spot there, you need to turn the breadfruit them, you see it? Yeah man. Have two years or two. Rice pack this. Fire need to start work on that peeps. You see it? Rice and pea settings. Yeah man. Active peeps. Fully. Hold it. See the peeps, breadfruit want run. You don't know where to run go. But see that peel, me peel the breadfruit and you know. Yeah man, I go fry this. So yeah, me like to roast my breadfruit and peel it then fry it. You see it? Yeah man, you get a better taste when I roast and fry. But see it here? Yeah man. Alright, that's a one when I just slice up already peeps. So see it there? Take off the skin. And then you see the whole of this are food. Yeah man, you see all heap of video with me doing breadfruit things. So you know what I mean? Yeah man, fans and love breadfruit peeps. You hot, you know? Peeps, you hot, you know, look on steam I come off fire me a hold in my hand. Jesus peace. I throw me a chef. So I bust through you know and bust this I wanna see him way. Woo! It's hot. They cut out the middle. We call that the heart. Yeah man. Remove the heart. So next time you see this breadfruit and I frying pan in the Persie also there in the kitchen I go and fry some fish. No say. I'm gonna make you see that right now. But just there I go and slice up breadfruit, see eh? Them here I go fry and I still have them here a roast. Yeah, them here are the one way, them just I go eat. Yeah, them here roast properly. You know what I mean? Because them I go eat them here. You see like when I go fry the breadfruit, you don't have to full roast it. Yeah, but them here now, you have to full roast them here. Because them here gonna eat like how them is. So, I go slice them up and start fry them in the kitchen. Soon forward. Fish them done fry, just I got fish on them. Done fry. Breadfruit are fry now. What is sauce? Sauce juice?
Yeah man, natural sauce juice, you know?
That's our 3 piece. And some sauce up skin, good old sauce up. Over here, so fry some breadfruit.
big up Sunrise Boss.
Yeah.
As usual.